Each one of us has some dreams. Many can make that dream a success, many cannot. And dream is the ultimate goal which you want to achieve. Now the question is, why do so many of us fail to make our dream come true? In fact, to make a dream come true, we need some discipline in our life. Discipline consists of some rules, and self-discipline is to bind your life to some rules. If you do not have any discipline in your life, you will never reach any goal. Discipline turns your ability into achievements. Self-discipline is the sum of your willpower and self-control. Now, what is willpower? Suppose your goal is to complete civil service exam and obtain a good rank. For that, you need to study regularly. You have to solve sample questions paper regularly. You need to get up in the morning and do some physical exercise. You need to meditate for some time. Must take your food and go to sleep on time. So, you have to lead a routine life. You can never lead a routine life without willpower. Many times you have observed, when you watch a motivational video or read a good book or listen to someone's motivational lecture, you decide to lead disciplined life from next day. You do try for 2-3 days, and after that you go back to your previous life. What is the reason? The reason is lack of willpower. Willpower offers you inner power to keep your commitments. To achieve willpower, you need to love yourself. When you love yourself, then only you will be aware of you. Basically, self-discipline is the highest form of self-love. You can start doing some small things from today to achieve your willpower. Like, develop some good and simple habits. For example, get up early every morning, put an alarm if needed, do a little physical exercise and do meditation. Divide your work into small parts and finish every part within stipulated time period. Finish today's work today. Don't keep anything pending for next day. Eat nutritious food. Don't eat too much spicy and junk food. Keep yourself and your environment clean. Plan the next day's work before going to bed at night. These are very simple things you can practice. I am sure these will help you to increase your willpower. Now, what is self-control? Self-control can be achieved with the help of willpower to master the art of self-discipline. Means, self-control is to govern yourself. People having strong willpower can achieve self-control very easily. But if you lose your self-control, everything will fall. So both willpower and self-control help you to lead a disciplined life. You can control your life with some small habits, but strong willpower is required. For example, stop using mobile phone unnecessarily. Stop watching TV for a long time. Make a habit to read books every day. Enjoy the holidays, but not every holiday. Don't get drowned in any gossip or party. Remember to finish your work on time. If you are not asked any question directly, you will not answer. So if you can learn self-control, you can master self-discipline. Remember, self-discipline is a battle that you have to fight against your mind. If you win this battle, you will be able to control your emotions and thoughts as you wish.